Alright, let's simplify this. You're now on Bitget's partner page where your commission rate is 45%. In this video, I'll show you how to register as a Bitget affiliate with the highest commission, no trading volume required. The link is in the video description. Click it to reach this page, then scroll down to the Bitget affiliate section. You can earn up to 45%. Just click register here. After activation, log in, create an account, and send me your UID using the message template I've provided. I'll then activate it for you. Now I'll guide you through registration. Click here to create a new account. You must register via my link or enter the referral code ViewGB. This activates the affiliate program for you. Enter your email and password, tick this box, then click register account. Next, select the 4 letters from this circle, click OK, then check your email for the UTB code. Here's the OTB code sent to your email. It's asking to verify your account, which you can do later if you prefer. For your ID, click the person icon at the top. Find that icon, then below you'll see the UID section. Click to copy it. Now I'll show how to send this email. Scroll down for the info. You can copy this email here. This is the template message. Now edit this on the Bitget platform. Enter your UID here, then click send. That's it. I'll now activate this account for you. Okay, I've activated it. Now that the account is set up, I'll click here to log in. This is Bitget's homepage. Enter the email and password you used to register earlier. After entering, click login, drag to match this image, then check your email for the UTB code. Alright, so you've accessed Bitget's partner page. Here you'll find your referral code and registration link. You can click to copy the link or share it. Your commission rate is 45%. Okay, so that's activated for you. Now, if you want to register for other exchanges like BX, B2ET, OKX, Gate.io, or MEXC, just sign up and let me know. I'll activate them for you.